as soon as you're married, right? As soon as you're married, you can file. So as long as you're married, you can submit and file. So it depends. If you're married to a green card holder and you're in the US, you might still qualify to apply right away. Some people think that you have to wait till your spouse becomes a citizen. That may be the case for some people. However, there are different options to obtain a green card while you are in the United States if you're married to a green card holder. So what happens, right? So one way you can get a waiver. You may be eligible to apply for a waiver, which would require you to leave the country and come in, process your green card at the embassy abroad and come in. That's one way. The second way is if you qualify to self-petition. So essentially you petition, it's still based on marriage, but you petition on your own without your spouse. And that whole process takes place in the United States. Okay, the whole process takes place in the United States. So what you would get is a work permit. So you'd apply, you would get a work permit and travel authorization in about 6 to 8 months. You would get a green card in about 2 to 2.5 years. But in terms of when can you actually file, you can file right away. As soon as you're married, you can file. So as long as you're married, you should be eligible, and as long as your marriage is not for immigration purposes, which I'm sure none of you are in that situation, as long as your marriage is not for immigration purposes, it's a real marriage that you want to start a life with this person, you can certainly qualify to apply for a green card, and the method really is dependent on your specific situation. Okay.